Here we have the Sunlight T69L. This is the XV edition, so as you can see it's black cab. The side of the vehicle is black/silver, and it has numerous extras. Okay, we'll start with the alloy wheels. You have the black awning at the bike rack. There's cruise control, aircon in the cab. It has a reversing camera, but it's a multimedia pack, so it comprises of the navigation system. Then in the rear of the vehicle and the habitation side, you have a satellite system and TV, and like that there's USB connections throughout the vehicle as well. Two other things, guys. In the garage area you have 2 garage doors, and also you have carpets for the rear of the vehicle.